was 17 with some big dreams. Graduating, headed to the Ivy League. Magna cum laude, she top of her class. All her other friends say that she the baddest. She don't really mess around with hooligans. She gon' be the best no matter who she with. Hit the 9 to 5, she stay on the grind. Never had the time for the party life. She just tryna be everything she can be. Make a little bread, stack it for her family. Told her mama that she gon' be home for dinner. She said grab them groceries when you coming in here. Mama on the stove, whipping in the kitchen. She said, Ma, you know you put your foot up in this. Knock up on the door, she say your daddy home. Next thing that you know, all of the booze was gone. She just 17 with some big dreams. Hated waking up to reality. He said, baby girl, don't you know I love ya? She said, you love to say that when you hit my mother.
Not unusual to be loved by anyone who you love. Not unusual to be loved by anyone. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know, okay? Let me know. How y'all doing? Your girl is feeling great. Feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? I hope y'all are staying safe. I hope y'all are doing well. And I hope y'all are taking care of you. And also your families and stuff. You know, we can't leave them out. But gotta make sure you take care of you before you take care of everybody else. Boo. Today's video is sponsored by AFSISTERWIG. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. And also, I'll leave down below the coupon code so y'all can save some coin, honey. Yes. I'm all about balling on a budget. Hey, balling on a budget. Hey, so, all right, y'all see me up here in this pretty vacation hair. Like, where I'm going? Where am I going? To my living room. You know what I'm saying? To sip some drinks. You know, get some Malibu rum, some Sprite, and some Simply Lemonade. Yo, banger. My husband put me on today. Bang. So let's get down to the nitty gritty of today's wiggy, 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 wiggy. Yes. I don't know if I'm feeling my look today. I mean, the wig is cute, but okay. I don't know. Y'all let me know. The wig that I'm wearing today is their Cherry. How you doing, Miss Cherry? 13x6 pre-pluck wet and wavy version human hair lace wig water wave. Okay, I do have this wig in a size medium. The density is 150%. I have this lovely unit in 14 inches. Is y'all ready for the starting price of this unit? All right, you determine if the price is right for you. I'm just here to teach you how to lay and slay these wigs and serve scalp. Okay? All right, so the starting price for this unit is $88.99. I have 14 inches, so the price for my unit is $137.99. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. Y'all, I really don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. It is a downfall, but it's not really a con. But I just got to let y'all know in case y'all decide to, you know, bust out on the scene with this wig and dance with your dogs in the nighttime. So the only con I would have to say about this wig is that the lace does come light, but it was a very easy fix. I did use my lace tint spray and also some pressed powder when I did lay down this wig, and y'all, we is serving scalp. Hey, we is serving scalp. When I first put this wig on, after I use my lace tint spray, I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture. Y'all, serving scalp realness. Okay, that's the goal, is to serve scalp. So people can be like, ooh, girl, I like your hair. Yeah, I know. It's my hair. Don't touch it. I really don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. So let's jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is that I love the hairline. Y'all, it is very natural. It comes pre-plucked. And y'all, we are serving scalp. Now, I did put a little bit of bedhead spray on this area right here, but it's not fully laid down and melted. It can be lifted, like it's not secured. This wig could be a glueless install, but like I told y'all time and time again, I live in Kansas and the wind blows 24/7, 365 days a year. It doesn't matter if it's summertime. It's still gonna be hot wind, feeling like breath smacking you in the face. So I always like to put a little bit of extra security with my wigs, but I feel like if you have a wig grip and you know you got a little pressed powder or tint spray to make the lace blend, you can wear this wig glueless because it is that flawless. Okay, the parting space, I didn't have to do any work to it. All I did was apply some pressed powder and we is good to go. Did I blend that in? My part is kind of crooked, but that's okay. All right, so another pro I would have to say is the hair. I did shampoo and deep condition this hair off camera, and I really didn't want the whole wet look. After I shampooed and deep conditioned the hair, I just applied some leave-in and a little bit of mousse, and you know, I just fluffed it out. And I let it air dry overnight, and these are the looks that we are serving. I'm pretty sure if I would have defined the curls, they would be even more popping. This is, to me, a beginner-friendly unit, because y'all, I didn't do a whole lot of work to make this wig, you know, slay. Do I need to insert a picture again? This picture is me just cutting off the lace, adding some tint spray, and putting the wig on my head. That's it. And it was looking like this, popping, okay? It's going to be somewhere on the screen. I keep going like this, so I don't know. As far as the wig being big hair friendly, this wig is big, and I do have it in a size medium. My head size is a 22. I did go in the back and adjust the straps, and also I did cut a little bit of lace off around my ears, you know, to customize it. But other than that, there's really nothing to complain about this wig. I did receive some shedding and tangling when shampooing and deep conditioning the hair. But as you know, I do not run my hands through my curly units. So as of right now, I can't be like, oh, I'm getting shedding, because I just don't run my hands through my curly units. It's going to make the unit bigger. And right now, I like the size. But it's really not a whole lot for me to say about this wig. Beginner friendly, budget friendly, in my opinion. And it's a slay, you know what I'm saying? It's an easy slay, and I'm here for it. Anytime a wig is realistic and it's beginner friendly, yo, it's popping. You gotta get it. You know what I'm saying? But yes, y'all, this is my hair. I know I get on here every Tuesday and Thursday telling y'all this is my hair. Listen, this is my hair. It's not your imagination. Once again, running away with me. Hey, yeah, said it was just my imagination. Running away with me. Go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all, because it's not a whole lot for me to say. But once again, I would like to send another big thank you to AFSISTERWIG for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below, because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Every day I pray, I wake up and you